year. There's 22 buildings. We also have 2,000 employees every day. All the Class A's and Class C's are built here. Our class, or a B class, with the, such as the vans, they're built in Lake Mills, which is about 14 miles to the north. And our first building coming up here, this is going to be the factory service center. This is a place where you go
today and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow today. Well, something's gotta give today. It's a good day today and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow today. Well, something's gotta give today. It's a good day
So inside the visitor center at the Winnebago, checking it out, you can see the old assembly line. A little shot of the newer one. And then it's like a gift shop in here. And they have a few of the older models of the RVs in here. So we're going to check those out and see what they look like. This is a 1967 Winnebago. You can see the floor plan there. It's got those retro colors in it. Those comfy seats. I can kind of see back toward the back. But a lot hasn't changed. Really, colors. Must be a bunk above the dinette. Using that space functionally. Here's a 1974 cab over camper. And you can kind of see the floor plan there. We'll walk around and see the inside. Wow, look at the colors. You can tell it's the 70s, right? Seems very spacious though. So very cool. I still have some of the original paperwork. That's pretty cool that they preserved that. Really, really neat. Yes. And they have purchased other companies. They have some Grand Design shirts, some Chris Croft shirts here as well. And the back of that other one, 1937. This is an older one here. This is a 1959 trailer, and it sold for $900. They still have some of the original paperwork. Oh, we could talk them down to $793. And it has a little bit of the pink in it. A little tighter in this one. Super fun to take, though, camping. Here's the cockpit of that driving one earlier. It's very cool looking. Not all the gadgets that we have today. Very beginning of the company, the founders. It's like the oldest RV manufacturer in the country. So very cool to learn. Hey, good year. Another good year. goes through all the history of the RV industry here at Winnebago. This is really cool. Kind of see over the years what's happened, their growth, and how important they have been to the industry. Some of their new purchases that they now have as well under the umbrella of Winnebago. So we just got done with the tour, and now we get to go inside and look at some of these RVs they have parked right here. These are some that have just been finished, and so we're gonna go check them out. First one is the Adventurer. That's what we have, so we're gonna see the differences in it. It'll be lots of fun to check it out. Come along. All right, so yeah, it is very different from ours, but I like the white cabinets. It's really wide open, so it's very different in that sense. Must have a televator. Couch. I don't know if our dogs would like that couch. It's got a dinette. Kind of going through and seeing to the back. See me, hi. Yeah. Yeah. So is this a half bath up here? Oh yeah, a little half bath.
Oh, look, it's got like a little thing.
Oh, and look at the square sink. This is what I wanted mine. Maybe someday he'll put me a square sink in.
Oh, look, there's how you drain it.
Oh, that's pretty cool. Like for doing your vegetables or whatnot.
Induction top.
And then, oh, see, they were thinking. And the tile in the back. I love that. I'm not crazy about the high point, but hey, it's probably what they use. Lots of drawers and cabinets, residential fridge. All right, this is the National Park edition of the Vista. We're gonna go check it out. Right, well, you can tell the difference. It's smaller. It has the bench on this side, couch, the cockpit area. It does have the drop-down bed, darker cabinets.
I almost need a ladder to get in this one.
I know the dogs would not like this bed at all. I wonder if it has an outdoor kitchen, because a lot of times when they have an outdoor kitchen, they're really high like that.
Probably.
You only have the one bathroom. Seems kind of tiny. And the fridge. There's a Norcal, so it's probably an RV fridge. Oh, there's storage behind the TV. And it has a gas stove and an oven. Like a microwave. And oh, look, square sink.
Very short, seems like that bed is.
The TV's across from the couch. Yeah, so it has an outdoor kitchen, but it's locked. That's why the bed is so high.
Oh, it's got that shadow awning that opens around.
Oh, a shadow awning.
Yeah.
That opens around.
It's gonna swing around.
Wow, that's different. Next up is the Navion. So this is a smaller class seat. Let's go check it out.
This is that fold down bed.
Has the bed up here in front.
The fold down bed.
Oh, and the fold down bed. We saw him put a slide in with this in the factory today. So it's kind of neat to see what it looks like once it's inside of there. When the table spins, sit more people at it, I reckon. The countertops, they are using a really nice material on their countertops now. It's really nice, and they're putting these more square sinks in. I love the window there. I can look out every day.
I do love the window.
And a lot more of these induction tops are showing up in them, too. Oh, and Earl's going to model opening it, maybe.
Well, I guess got to do the bottom, too.
You got to do all the little latches. Oh, well, there you go.
I can figure out how to get it closed.
Now you can't figure out how to close it. Let's tour the rest of the RV while he figures that out. So this is the one thing I wouldn't like, is that you have to fold your bed up to have your couch space. So not a favorite of mine, but some people like that. The sink is so tiny, and then there's just that tiny shower. So it's something that some people like, and it's easier to travel with. And it looks like another Norcoat, so it's probably an RV fridge in there. So, and the TV is right above. So another thing, it's hard because you're cooking and someone's sitting trying to watch TV and you're in their way. So that's kind of hard as well. So not one of my favorites. So next up is the Travado. So we're going to check it out, see what it's like. Smaller van-like. Something, if we ever get to go to Alaska, we'd like something smaller like this. So that would be kind of fun.
Got a bathroom in the back.
Oh, there's a bathroom in the back. The little kitchen right here. The little fridge. I think that, is that drop down for a bed up there, Earl? I don't know what that is up there.
No, it's just storage.
Storage. There you go. You need lots of storage. Let me get a better view of this bathroom because it's right up to the back door. So your shower.
Somewhere, somehow, this goes on at the table.
And your toilet. It has a shower floor. And then the toilet paper is covered by the little cover. And there's some cabinets that must be waterproof in here as well. So it's kind of fun.
This is your table. It goes right here.
The table. Oh, yeah. It moves around.
So you have a
It's kind of nice. And then the little TV. And then 2 beds. And the beds are probably your couch. Oh, yeah. It's got like the wood underneath. All right. We just got done touring the Winnebago. You can't video inside of it.
Yep, no video, no pictures inside the factory.
It was really neat to see how they build things.
I was really shocked at how much they actually build. There was things that I thought that they had shipped in that they just installed that they actually build here.
Yeah, that was what was really neat.
So it was pretty cool. We didn't get to go into all the buildings, but the ones we went in were really cool.
We went in and saw them building the Echo, is it what's called?
Yeah.
And then
And other Class Bs.
and other Class Bs, and then they were building the Class A, the Journey.
Class Cs.
Oh, and then some Class Cs, yes.
So yeah, it was really cool.
We enjoyed it. Yes, so if you get a chance, you should come out and check it out. We videoed inside the little store a little bit, and they have like a history thing in there. And a few of the RVs.
Well, a few of the older ones, yeah.
Yeah. And then on the outside, we looked at a couple of the RVs that are outside. So that was pretty cool. Yeah. Do you enjoy it?
Yeah.
It was lots of fun, yes. All right. Hope you enjoy this little short video of the Winnebago factory area. Thank you. Have a great day and go out and find your adventure.